Hi Jeremy and Kokila. I'm Priyanka Balasubramanian, who's applied for the post of associate producer at Movie Media. Firstly, to talk a little bit about myself, I did my schooling in St. John's Matriculation Higher Secondary School in Chennai. And once I finished my schooling, I figured out that all my classmates were interested in engineering or medicine or other mainstream subjects like that. And that's not really what I wanted to do. I was interested in advertising, photography, or any creative work like that. And I wanted to get into media and see whether I could utilize my creative potential to the maximum. And hence, at that point of time, I decided to do my BSc in visual communication at MOP Vaishnav College, which was a very well known and reputed college in Chennai. And when I was doing my BSc during 3 years, I badged on a lot of experiences in the media industry, both in advertising, photography, animation, or post production, or and in television as well. And during my third year, I was supposed to do my elective, and I decided that film and television was what I was really interested in, and this is what I was going to do at the end. And hence, I did my final project, a documentary, and after my BSc in visual communication, I wanted to do my master's specialization in film and video, and went on to do my MA in independent film, video, and new screen media at the University of East London, for which thankfully I got a full scholarship, a Commonwealth scholarship from the British Council. The British High Commission sponsored my whole study in the United Kingdom, and funded my living expenses as well. And so once I really wanted to make use of this opportunity by going and doing a couple of work experiences and badging on some full-time experiences as well in the UK, because at the end of the course I had signed an agreement to come back to India or wherever and serve my country, because with the scholarship that was offered to me. And hence, I went on to do my work experiences in BBC, and BBC Films was the wing that I was working in. And BBC Films is the filmmaking wing of the BBC, and it produces external and funds external writers and writes script reports and funds, and then partially co-produces as well. And I was supposed to do script development and write script reports to these external writers who used to keep writing, sending their scripts every week to the BBC, and pass verdicts whether they passed or failed the BBC's test for judgment. And hence this was the work experience that I had in the BBC. And after that, before that, actually before the BBC, I got to work with VTR Post Productions, which was a post production, a very very big post production house in London. And this opened up this whole new world of post production for me that I have never seen before. And I came to know how much of an effort has to be done in post production, and how much of an effect post production or visual effects has in movies and in videos today. And this really really inspired me to know and learn a lot about post production. And hence I was eagerly and enthusiastically sitting in many of the Flames suite sessions, and learned a little bit of softwares as well. But then I figured out at the end of all my experiences that I was really interested, and this I was very good at managing people, managing locations, artists, or managing post production as well. And this is what exactly I wanted to do at the end of my specialization. And I understood this was where my interest lied. And hence I decided that I wanted to become a production coordinator or an associate producer, which would open up more gates for me to become a producer or an executive producer in the future. And I've also worked in Chennai in a lot of production houses, and in Star TV's own channel called Vijay TV in Chennai. And I got to work for a lot of productions for them, and create for soaps. TV soaps and TV shows. I was a production coordinator for a lot of their shows in Citadel Videos and in Star Vijay as well. And all these experiences sort of boosted up my whole enthusiasm to take production as from the managing level as my career. Um, I hope all the information that I've given to you was quite useful, and I thank you for having this patience to listen to my conversation. Thanking you, and hopefully, I should hear from you soon. Thank you so much.